subscribe button. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? We passed every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let's get started. Okay, I'm just gonna take a peek. I already know it. Thank you! If you guys can't tell by now, I think it is a Halloween fidget bag because I see a bat and all that. Or whatever this is, it's really cool. Oh my gosh, these cute little pots. They're so cute. Trick or treat stamps. I'm putting one on. That's so cool. Alright. Let's start with this, I guess. Pumpkin monkey noodle textured. This is my favorite thing. It's so cool. Whoa, a skeleton. This would be so cool to trace or even put in slime. I thought this was like different things, but I was like, come on. Oh, slap bracelets. Oh my gosh. It's a witch and a pumpkin. That's so cool. I feel like I'm like taking more time being so in shock before anything else. I'm just gonna take a peek. Oh my gosh, we have so much to go. Okay. A slinky. I love these things. Wait, what's on it? I see something. Oh, it's a pumpkin. Oh, candy corn stamp. We're trying everything. Next. Oh, a skeleton bouncy ball. Whoa! Jeez, wait! Oh, I'm gonna put that in one of the pots. Alright, I'm just gonna grab. What is this? Well, it broke. I think it's like a sticky spider. Whoa! That's so cool. Feel that. My mom's here watching me open this for the first time. Isn't that so weird? I love this. Oh, these fake spiders. There's a bunch of them. These will be good to prank someone. Oh, this really cute monkey noodle. Pumpkin. Oh, this slinky monkey. Or not monkey noodle. What is it? Is it a pumpkin? Yeah. Let's see this. Whoa. Okay, and next up, oh gosh, I just can't even. An eyeball bouncy ball. I wonder if this one's the same, like. Okay, that went far. That and that one. Wait, is that the same one? Okay. A broom. One of these. The stamp. Oh, I want to do another one. Oh, it's so cool. And then, whoa, I see something I don't even know what it is. What is this? 2 of these things? They're like, almost like weird guys that go. Those are cool. If I need Keegan to listen to me, listen to me. Oh, fake spider. Ooh, like a grave stamp. I'm gonna put that one here. I'm putting these all on, guys. I'll show you my hand after. Another fake spider. An orange slinky. This one's the coolest one so far. Next up. Whoa! Things are coming out! So, fake spider. Let's see. Bouncy ball. We'll see about this one. They just get bouncier as I go on. Yup. That one's gonna go in with this one. I'm sure there'll be another one probably. Ooh, what is this? Oh, a potion one. Ooh, that one's cool. And then a green one. They're really cool because they're like hard till you crack them for the first time. And then they like, I like them about that. I've wanted a Slinky for like so long because whenever I get on my break on. So, I wonder what this is. See how far this guy wants to go. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, bud, you're gonna come off the edge. Go walk to the pile. That was perfect timing. A ghost squishy. I think those are mochis. I think they're just like a different kind, but I really like these kind better because they're bigger. Bigger, better. Bigger the better, I don't know. Put the trash right here. There's still so much. Okay, we're gonna grab whatever this thing is. Oh, a little potion, mochi, I think it is. I don't know what it is. I think they're like squishies, but it's so cool. This is way more than I expected. A little witch girl with like a orange head. Mochi thing. We're gonna call them mochi things. This one's really nice. It's like more jiggly than these guys, but they're all really jiggly. I don't know. A yellow bat? That's cool. We're gonna set that with the other monkey noodle. Bouncy ball, you already know. That thing went far. Good. How many do I have in this one? One? Yeah. Gosh, there's still so much stuff. Oh my god. I'm gonna save that for last. Oh, a pink bat thing. I love these textured ones better than, I like them all, but I really like the textured ones better than the normal ones. Ooh, a black ghost. We have a white one now, a black one. I can open it. There we go. You can like, oh, that's so cool. Bouncy ball, you already know. That's gonna be a week ready. It's going every which way. Now we're gonna set that one in here. I wonder if there's another one. I'm just gonna take a peek. Oh, there is. All right, this one. Oh, it's a cat. I haven't even looked what's on them. We'll go back and look what's on them. The cat got a spring, a pep in his step. All right, next. What is this? Oh, they like rollers? These look like ladybugs. That's cool. Let's see. Oh, there's another one. Oh, another one? This one's a different type of spider. Are those the other things? Yes. Get whatever these things are. Ooh, another skeleton guy that's blue and orange, a purple and orange. And we got, what is this? A spider? Yeah, a spider. Spider mochi. And then I saved these for last because they really caught my eye. First of all, a pumpkin poppet. So we're gonna start with this one. So I don't know. Like, this is like a mystery pack of like everything you could ever need. Oh my gosh, all right, that already sounds so good. What? That's so good. And then a bat mini bubble poppet. I've never had a mini bubble poppet. You can see that the bubbles are so little compared to these. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. Never had one like that before, so let's see how good it is. It just sounds like mini because it's a mini bubble popper. Thank you so much. I forgot what this sounds like. Should we see? Wait, we need to have a moment, guys. Okay, that's all I have to do. Oh my gosh. And all of that in this bag. Wow. Okay, guys, this is so cool, but I'm gonna recap what I got. So for starters, for all the stamps that we got a potion, a broom. Oh, that cap did not stand very well. A trick or treat sign, a rip sign, so sad, and a candy corn. Then we got these slinkies. So we have a purple one, a orange one. Let's see if we can stack them. A black one and a green one. Okay, and then a bat poppet. And then I got these a bunch of little spiders, which would go really cool in some slime. These little like dead guy shakers, which I really like. They're really loud and annoying. Then we got these two slap bracelets. Pumpkin. And then we got a witch. Looks cool. And then my hands are all dyed. And then we got all of these skeleton, I think they may be like printers or something. So I got an orange guy, a purple guy, an orange guy, a blue guy, a purple guy. And then we got all these fun mochis. We got, oh my gosh, they feel so good together. We got black spider dude, green witch girl, black ghost dude, purple spider. Fell down. A potion one with a bone in it, and then a little white guy. And then we got this little, we don't have them walk very far, a little pumpkin guy that moves. Okay. And then we got these rollers. Let's see which one goes the farthest. Ready? 3, 2, 1. This guy. These 3 textured ones I don't think I'm ever gonna trade. This pumpkin poppet, which I'm never gonna trade. Sorry, I'm going to stop. And then these 2 little crates. Uh-oh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Whoa. No. And then I'm gonna test how high they go. Okay, so ready? Eyeball. Whoa, very high. Skeleton. Very high. I can't even keep track. Okay, I'm just gonna let them go. This orange guy. Yellow guy, whoa. Purple one. And a green one. So yeah. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button. We'll see you on next time. Bye.